everyone, and welcome to a update on the Supercharged Magna. As you may recall in the video where we supercharged it, at the end my car was on a tow truck and it wasn't running right, and long story short, it's now home but it's still not running right. Basically we bought a home so we could work on it at home and not have to go to work, because work's like half hour away, and that way as we are working on it we can do videos. Can't really do that at work with customer cars. I don't want customer cars in my videos or the guys from work or anything like that. That's not fair on them at all. Anyway, so we're still not sure why it's doing what it's doing. Initially it was overfueling, so Rick hooked me up with a Haltech. We've plumbed that in, and the essential reason for that is because it was overfueling. So the Haltech allows for a provision to run a map along with the math. Now it's just a piggyback Haltech. This bitch can't afford no Elite 2500, no she can't. So we put that in and we're still having running issues. Initially we went from overfueling to now the fuel pressure cutting with revs. So we thought maybe fuel pump. It doesn't sound quite right. If you want to know how to do a fuel pump, I've got a video on that. As you'll probably know if you did watch that video, it was about 6 months ago that we put the new high flow fuel pump in. So we thought maybe that was faulty. So I took it out. I put in what is a smaller pump, definitely. And then obviously it didn't have enough fuel. So we sort of didn't work out a whole lot in respects to that realistically. So the long story short, we're still trying to figure out what the problem is. This is both very new to myself and Floyd, having, you know, factory cars, it all just works. Obviously this is a little bit different. This is a little bit new. This is something that Floyd's had to help me with heaps, and he's been doing a lot of stuff on it. I've hardly touched it myself, other than doing the fuel pump in and out a few times, because long story short. Yeah. So the bottom of it is we're still trying to get to it. The Haltech's in, that appears to work. It's an old one, so I need to find either Windows XP or make my old computer work, which I'm in the middle of doing, so we can actually read what the Haltech is doing, and then hopefully that'll give us another indication of exactly what is going on. Now, everyone was really sad because they didn't get a video of the Supercharger revving. It sounds awful, but I will get my ass out the car and I will do that for you now. That way you can have a quick look, and it should, hopefully, maybe, probably not, keep some people happy. Listen to how loud it sounds. Hopefully next time I make a video on this, it'll be a little bit more positive, but we'll get there eventually. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.